the narrative of China, having abuses and this and that, or China is a rival, is a challenge, blah blah. I'm sorry,
Yeah,
I shouldn't use this blah blah word too often.
but if we look at the European strategic outlook on China, like I mean, the three words used is that China is a partner, a rival, and a strategic competitor. But what does this mean? It means that policymakers should be more deep in the drafting of their policies to see really how to define how to find out where we should be like competitors and where we should be strategic partners. But the thing is that from my perspective, there is always possibility to find partnership in every sector. It's just a way about and drafting the policy and keeping the dialogue on. And this is what I'm looking for the 24th when the European delegation will be visiting China. I just want to remind everybody that today is the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between China and the European Union, and this is an important meeting because it's coming at a place where Europe is dealing with the tariffs from the United States, and she's reconsidering the trade balances, and China is an important actor.
China is part of the solution, please. Professor Warwick, let me go to you. As I said, despite the bright picture, trade between China and the United States did drop to a very significant extent. Overall, the value dropped by 9.3%. U.S. exports to China dropped by 7.7%. Its imports from China dropped by 10% for the first half of this year. Your comments on the development, despite all the growth everywhere else?